We can say exercise 1.5 fourth question. So your first condition, what is the f of x and what is the g of x, and you have to find what is the a. If g composite f of a equal to 1 means what is the a you have to find. So but here f of x and g of x given, so they asked a. So in this f of x and g of x you have to convert to a variable. Here x variable using, so a variable you have to take. So we can check here. You can find the solution. First condition, f of x now. So here we have to find a. So variable we can consider to, we can convert to a. So then f of x means f of a we can consider. F of a equal to a square minus 1. Then g of a equal to a minus 2. G of a equal to a minus 2. Okay. So then you have to find what is the value of a. So what given? G composite f of a equal to 1 given. G composite f of a equal to 1 given. Now, so then G composite f of a, another side taking means what type will come? G of f of a. G of f of a is equal to 1. Now, so G of f of a, what is f of a? A square minus 1. Now, is equal to 1. In this, what value you consider? This a value. We can consider this a value. Outside what? That g. G means g of a. So you have to consider g of a. G of a what there? A minus 2. So a place you have to substitute a square minus 1. A place you have to substitute a square minus 1. Now, so a place we are substituting a square minus 1 minus 2. A square minus 1 minus 2 is equal to 1. Now, so then, so what type we can convert to this? A square minus 1. A square minus 1. A square minus 1 minus 2 is equal to 1 now. So then, so what? A square, so minus 1 minus 2, so adding means minus 3 is equal to 1 now. So then a square minus 3 we have taken another side means 1 plus 3 will come. 1 plus 3, then a square is equal to 4 now. So then a is equal to square we have taken another side means square root will come. So or else you can say this 2 square also we can take now. So or else square we have taken another side means square root of 4. Square root of 4 will come now. So then a is equal to square root of 4 or we can square. 4 or we can square. 2 square. 2 square. So root and square will cancel. Then a is equal to 2. So what is the value of a? The value of a is 2. So next we can find second condition. So what type given second condition? Find k, f of k equal to 2k minus 1. F of k equal to 2k minus 1. Now 2k minus 1. So and f composite f of k equal to 5. F composite f of k equal to 5. Now, so then what is the value of k you have to find. So f composite f of k means another side going time what time will come? F of k. F of k is equal to 5. F of k equal to 5. So then f of k, what is it? 2k minus 1. 2k minus 1 is equal to 5. So in this we can consider k value. This we can consider k value inside there now. So outside what there? F. F means f of x. F of x or here variable k using now. So f means f of k. So f of k, what that? 2k minus 1. So k place you have to substitute 2k minus 1. So 2 into k place substituting 2k minus 1 minus 1. 2 into k place 2k minus 1 is equal to 5. Now, so 2 to the 4k minus plus in minus 2 into 1 2 minus 1 is equal to 5. Now, so then 4k minus 3 minus 2 minus 1 minus 3 now. So is equal to 5. Then 4k is equal to 5 minus 3 we have taken as means plus 3 will come. No, so then 4k is equal to 8. Then k is equal to 8 by 4. 8 by 4. 1 4s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Then, so what is the value of k? 2. The value of k is 2. So in this way we can find.